In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing anti-inflammatory and detox drinks that you guys can use on a daily basis to get you on your way to attaining that beautiful, even, clear skin that we all want. What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Selena, also known as Nurse Key, and on my channel I talk about nursing, health, beauty, finance, and YouTube. Today's video, as mentioned in the beginning as well as in the title, once again I'm going to be sharing my 3 favorite detox drinks slash smoothies that you can use to get you on your way to clear skin. The reason why these drinks are really good is because they are super high in anti-inflammatory properties, which is amazing if you want clear skin. And these drinks are really going to help with flushing out your bloodstream as well as your liver, which is really important, because if your liver is full of toxins and bad things, those things are definitely going to manifest on your skin. Now, some of you guys may be thinking, what makes me qualified to talk about this topic? A lot of you guys seem to think that I have just been blessed with nice skin and that this is the way my skin has always been. But I suffer with polycystic ovarian syndrome, which we know can have a huge impact on your hormones. So I've suffered with a lot of cystic acne, pimples, hormonal acne on the jawline and around the chin area. I've suffered with that a lot. I've also suffered with a lot of hormonal acne on my cheeks, also due to PCOS, but also due to really bad eating habits. Another thing is I've suffered with hidradenitis suppurativa ever since I was a little girl. I want to say around 8 or 9 years old is when I really started seeing those cysts and those boils really develop on those parts of your body that are very prone to chafing. So as a nurse and a person who understands a little bit about how the body works, as well as a person who has suffered with acne myself, I can definitely tell you that these are the things that I implemented to help me clear my skin. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first drink is my Tumeric Lemon Detox. I love this stuff because turmeric is literally the holy grail of anti-inflammatory properties. So these are the ingredients that you are going to be needing to make this recipe. The first thing I'm going to be starting off with is my ginger. I'm just going to cut off a little piece at the end there. Honestly, I wasn't really measuring too much. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grate that skin off with the knife. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grate the ginger, which is really optional. You can just put the ginger whole. You don't even have to take the skin off, but this is just how I like to do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use half a lemon. You don't have to use half. You can use a full lemon. Honestly, I would recommend using a full lemon, but sometimes I get acid reflux, so I try to cut back on the lemon. Then I'm going in with some turmeric, and I'm just going to use about a tablespoon of that, or half a tablespoon, sorry. And these are the ingredients. Bring about 2 or 3 cups of water to a boil, and then go ahead and add in your ingredients. And you just want to let them sit in there for about 15 minutes or so, just so that all the nutrients and everything can come out and really seep into that water. And then you can put it to chill and then pour it into a glass, and it will be ready to drink. This is not the best tasting thing, but trust me, it works. So the berry blast is really good because it's jam-packed with berries, which are high in antioxidants and fiber that give your skin what it needs to fight inflammation and acne. These are the ingredients that you're going to be needing for this specific drink. And I love this because I am a super big berry lover, especially blackberries. So because the berries are dark in color, it kind of gave the smoothie this weird brownish color, but do not worry, this stuff was really delicious. And once again, it is jam-packed of antioxidants and fiber, which is amazing for your body. So the next drink and the last one is the strawberry flush, which is probably my favorite one because there's strawberries and mango, which is my favorite fruit. These are the ingredients that you are going to be needing for this drink. We're also including some chia seeds, which is really good for your gut health. So we're going to go ahead and drop that in there. Once again, there is turmeric in here, which we already know is really good for inflammation, but carrots have also been known to be good for inflammation as well. I went ahead and added a cup of oat milk instead of water just to jazz this one up a little bit. And I really like that slightly sweet taste from oat milk. So this is a way for me to sweeten up the drink naturally without adding any sugars. And then you also have the sweetness from the carrots and the mangoes. So these are the drinks that we made today. They are so good, so healthy, and you can drink this as often as you want. This is definitely going to do more good than bad. Alright guys, so that is it for the detox drinks. I definitely have way more than this, but I just wanted to share my top 3. The turmeric one probably has to be my absolute favorite one. That is the one that has made the biggest difference in my skin, and I know you guys are going to ask, so that is why I'm telling you guys. Remember guys, having acne, I know the struggle, I know how hard it is, but taking care of your skin topically is only one part of the problem. If you really want to see the biggest results on the outside, you have to take care of the inside. So make sure that you guys are drinking water and consuming good foods and maintaining healthy habits. I myself am guilty of being a little bit alcohol happy sometimes on the weekend, and I have really bad habits of eating out sometimes. I had to bring myself back down to earth, give myself a reality check and start taking care of myself inside and out, not only to look good and to feel good, but also to just be healthier overall and live a healthier, longer life. This is not a magical recipe, so this is not going to make a difference in your skin overnight, but if you guys are consistent with these, especially the turmeric one, the first one that we went through, if you guys are consistent with this for a few weeks, you guys should definitely start seeing a major difference in your skin. So let me know down in the comments how you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys tried any of it. I really hope this video was informative. If it was, and if you guys learned anything, let me know down below. If you guys have any additional recipes that have worked for you guys and you guys want to go ahead and share that with us, definitely don't forget to share that with us down in the comment section below. If you guys want to support the channel and if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. And if you would like to see future content like this from me and you are not yet subscribed, then please go ahead and do that by clicking on that subscribe button right down below, as well as turning on your notification bell, so that way you will be the first one notified whenever I post future content. Do not forget to also follow me on Instagram at Selena. That is the easiest way to reach me if you guys want to DM me and ask me any questions. I'm very active on there and I try my best to answer everyone. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on there. Check out my skincare playlist right over here or over here for more skincare videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.